Hi everybody, Professor Zimmerman here. Thought I'd check in via video this week, a little change. I want to tell everybody what a great job you're doing. I'm really impressed how far you've come with your discussions and what you're writing and how you're interacting with one another. Your papers last week were really excellent. I want to give you a couple of notes, just some general notes, which I put in my feedback to you, but I just wanted to put it out there for everybody. APA is hard, it definitely is, and it's difficult to learn. But a couple of points to remember. If you're putting information into the body of your paper, okay, if it's something that's not your own original thoughts or words, okay, so even if it's paraphrased, you have to cite it, okay, and that would be author's last name, comma, and year, okay, in brackets. That has to be in there. If you're doing a direct quote, then you need the same information, but you also need the page number. Okay, so those two things are very important. If you put all this information in your paper that you got from your readings, etc., but it's not your own words, then it can be suggestive of plagiarism, which you never want to do. Okay, so remember to cite as you go along. References, doing a really good job there. Just remember they have to be in alphabetical order by the author's last name. And you cannot just have a website. You need still author's last name, first initial, year, title, periodical, etc., and then you're retrieved from ... and the website you got it from. It's hard to get used to, but you need to do that if you're going to do proper writing and move on in your courses. You don't want to lose points because of APA. We don't assign a lot of points to it, but it is very important for scholarly writing. So just remember those important things. Also, you should put page numbers on your papers, and also a running head. Okay, that's all part of APA. You have the information in your course site. There's APA information, and like I said, you've really come along great. I'm really impressed with how the whole class is doing. So thank you for that, and thank you for all of your hard work. This week, we're going to talk about values clarification, and you'll have a discussion question where you can choose from several questions to answer and communicate with each other. Looking ahead, if you want to submit a draft of your ethical issues paper, this would be the week to do it to the writing fellows. Remember that it might take a week or more to get back, so if you're going to do that, do it soon, and that will be due week 10. The semester goes by really quick. We're halfway through already, and before you know it'll be the end of the semester. Your teamwork, hopefully it's coming along. I should have an outline from everyone this week, by tonight, as to what you're doing. You already submitted your topics. Remember, it's 1 grade for the group, so everybody needs to contribute equally. This is how you learn to work as a team. So I know it can be difficult with everybody's schedules and getting together, but you can do it. So reach out if you have any questions. I will check in with you guys again soon. And again, thank you for everything you're doing in the course. Have a great week.